To correctly understand each of the stages of the French Revolution, we are going to organize them into 4 parts in such a way that in each of them we will explain who the dominant social group is, what they do while they are in government, what their problems are most important, and the reason for its end.
The conservative bourgeoisie that controls the National Assembly seized power on this new stage. The symbol of this new stage is what, from now on, will be the new flag of France, the tricolor flag. However, the bourgeois did not intend to eliminate the king, they only wanted to limit his power.
For this reason, they granted executive power to Louis XVI and created a new system organized in the Constitution of 1791. The participation of the people in politics would be through census suffrage, which reserved the right to vote for the richest in society.
However, Louis XVI was never convinced by this system. His opposition to the revolution was evident when he asked other European absolute monarchs for help in reinstating the old regime in France. Austria, terrified by revolutionary ideas, soon sent its army to France, a situation that Louis XVI took advantage of to try to go over to the Austrian side. However, the escape from Varennes failed, and the royal family was arrested and accused of treason. Unfortunately for Louis XVI, the guillotine would soon be in charge of ending the monarchy in France.